Hi there, I'm David Jones. Welcome to the first in the series of videos about using the CodeCraft UI for the Grove Beginner Kit for Arduino. This video covers the first lesson for a flashing LED running on the beginner kit. The CodeCraft UI, which is uses the Blocky style of coding. Here is an Arduino Uno board with analog inputs on the left, digital inputs on the right, and SPI and other things as well there. Here is a sample project showing the connections to a Uno board. Alternatively, you could use the Grove Pi shield for connectivity and plug devices in. Here is the Grove Beginners Kit with the Arduino device in the middle and peripheral devices on the outside. Grove Beginners Kit connectivity is on the board, so you don't need to use cables. Here is the various connections that you program when using the board. So we're using the LED for the first lesson, and therefore we're going to use D4. So here is what we're going to do. The LED goes on for 1 second, goes off for 1 second, and loops back around. Here's the code behind that, but we don't need to write it because we use the Blocky style of programming.